All right. Radio set up. In fact, I'm connected to the Black Mountain repeater. CQ, this is AF4VX, CQ. I have a mag mount antenna on top of the car so that way I can extend my range of my Baofeng UV5R.
Oscar Papa Hotel. Your name is Jim.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dylan, traveling across the country with my buddy right now. We are on Highway 78. Just past the dunes. It's beautiful, and you are my first contact on amateur radio.
Congratulations. Welcome to the ham community.
My friend is traveling on a one-wheel. It's all the way to Maine. It's a 45-day journey, and I'm the follow car. I'm currently following him with my hazards on.
Hey, that sounds like a trip.
We are trying to raise $1 million for Every Cat Health Foundation. My buddy lost his cat to feline chronic kidney disease a few years ago and is raising money for the cause.
All right, well, have a good journey and good luck on the drive.
Amazing! Howdy, kids. Howdy, kids. We are at the border of California and Arizona, getting ready to cross the Colorado River.
Colorado River!
Professor Cat, you ready?
Oh yeah, dude, he's ready.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's his first time in Arizona, right?
I think so, or at least it's the first time of a Professor Cat crossing into Arizona.
Well, here we are in Lake Havasu City at the London Bridge. Whoa! Say hello, Allison.
Hello. Say hello, Professor Cat.
Yeah, listen to that. Apparently, this bridge was bought in 1968, and they spent $7 million purchasing, dismantling, moving, and rebuilding it. It's about, $65 million now?
The bridge did not fall down. It was sinking, and so they took it down and reconstructed it here.
$65 million for this? That's still a steal.
Look at it!
Welcome to day 6 of one-wheeling from California to Maine. We are here at the original London Bridge. Oh yeah, the one from the song, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, we've made it to the historic Route 66.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've made it to the historic Route 66. Look at us. We made it to the historic Route 66, getting ready to hop back on the road. Look at us. We've now made it to... Look at us. We made it to the historic Route 66. It's going to be another big day for him, but we're headed into Kingman, and we are excited. We'll see you soon. Here we are on Route 66, just past Kingman. Apple Maps popped up that there was a road closure, so Allison and I drove ahead a little bit to check it out. Turns out that is not quite the case. It's just the shoulder is closed, so Joey won't have a shoulder for about a mile, but then it opens right back up. So we're heading back so that we can be at a good point to help him swap his board. In the meantime, look at this gorgeous landscape. We got mountains in the distance. We got these big desert trees, fields. My God. Easy to be inspired here. We are a little bit past Kingman and about 15 to 20 miles before Peach Springs. Oh, there's some birds. Whoa. Business cards. getting your video made with Elvis. Look at that iron horse. Yeah, boy. Train time. We are currently in a bit of a cellular dead zone, and I gotta get going really fast, really quickly. Hold on. Oh god. We stopped off at a general store so that we could kill a little bit of time, but when we got out of the general store, we didn't know if Joey was to the left or to the right, so we decided to turn right and travel a little bit, and that was the correct choice because we did just pass Joey. I was able to track him pretty nicely considering I was hand-holding and still at about 200 millimeters on the low end.